Today's topic is entanglement, a new way of communication. Now, I am simplifying this scientific understanding of new type of communication. See, these two pen. Suppose this two pen is entangled. This two pen is entangled in some scientific process. This pen is A and this pen is B. For your understanding, I am giving the name pen A and pen B. These two pen is totally entangled. Now keep this pen A on the earth and this pen is on the Jupiter, planet Jupiter. That kind of distance. You keep this pen A on the earth and pen B on the Jupiter. Then what will happen? If you move this pen, this pen will move. You are doing nothing with this pen, but you are moving this pen A, then pen B will move. If you temper this pen in any way, this pen will be tempered in the same way. But you are doing nothing on the pen B, which is on the Jupiter. If you hit it, pen A, if you hit the pen A, the pen B will be automatically hit. See, there is no medium in between Earth and Jupiter, but they are exchanging signal. They are exchanging without any signal. They are, what I can say, they are informing each other without any signal, because you need a medium to exchange a signal, but in between Earth and Jupiter there is no medium, but they are communicating with each other. Okay, so this is scientifically experimented in quantum physics. Now I am coming to human brains. A human brain A, that is a human brain A, and that is a human brain B. Two human mind, two human brain is entangled by technique and technology of transcendental consciousness. This is also experimented in quantum physics. This two human brain is entangled with technique and technology of transcendental consciousness. Then they are far away. One man is here and another man is 15-20 kilometers away from the man A. B is away from A, 15-20 kilometers far away minimum. Then if you flash the brain of A with some certain powerful light beam, then that brain of B will be flashed with the same powerful light beam. But you are not flashing the brain of B. You are not flashing with the light. You are doing nothing with the man B. You are only flashing on the brain of man A. Then the same thing is happening on the brain of B, man B. If the brain wave is spiked here, the brain B will be spiked automatically. These two brains started communicating with each other without any signal. It is also proven in quantum physics, experimented in quantum mechanics lab. Two human mind can communicate without any medium. I am simplifying it. Now, I am informing you a news which I read in 2008. The monkeys in Africa, what happened? All of a sudden, they started peeling the potato skin before eating. They started peeling the potato before eating. All of a sudden. But generally a monkey doesn't do such kind of thing. But all of a sudden they started peeling potatoes skin before eating. And what happened immediately after 2-3 days, monkeys in Sri Lanka started peeling potato before eating. See, these contemporary monkeys of Sri Lanka and Africa are not related. They don't know each other, but they are communicating. How can this happen? Sometimes what happen, animal kingdom also by default, I am telling you, by default connected to the transcendental field. It happened many times. Even the animal kingdom, animals are also by default connected to the transcendental field. And when they are connected, they exchange their informations without any signal. This is the news I read in 2008 in Oxford Journal or Harvard Scientific Journal. I read it. How can this happen? This miraculous revelation coming out day by day. And the application side is already started. Scientists are applying this entanglement process in making the quantum computer. Every day I think you are reading it in news, scientific journal. Scientists are trying to make quantum computer. The quantum computer can exchange information from far away galaxies to Earth without exchanging any signal. Already they made it, but with some certain condition. In minus 20 minus 275 temperature, ideal temperature, minus 275 degrees centigrade, that is known as ideal temperature in physics. In ideal temperature, the computer can exchange information without signal. Application site. So my dear friends, I am telling so many things for what? The possibilities of transcendental field, the possibilities of transcendental consciousness. I am telling all that things from practical side. I am not telling any kind of fantasies. I am telling you from some practical side. A new age is coming, which will be totally based on transcendental field. A new type of civilization will be built on that transcendental field, the field of infinite possibilities. So you also prepare yourself for the new age, for new civilization. In our ancient India, 2000, 5000 years back, our ancient Muni Rishis used to exchange informations, used to talk each other by contacting that field. Without visiting each other, they used to talk each other with the help of transcendental field. That time it was the privilege of only the yogis and Muni Rishis, and it was very mysterious to us that time. Now it is not any kind of mysterious or miraculous thing. It is a scientifically proven thing, and anybody can get access to the transcendental field. Then what happened to you? I am telling you. Then you can see where your eyes cannot see. You can see beyond your eyes can see. You can hear beyond your ears can hear. You can taste beyond your tongue can taste. You can feel beyond your heart, brain or skin can feel. You can feel everything. You can listen everything. You can seize everything beyond your five sensory organs can do. That is the possibilities I am telling. So my dear friend, just bring that awareness of transcendental field, the field of infinite possibilities, the fourth dimension of consciousness. Bring that awareness in your system, in your existence, then life will be very phenomenal. Thank you. Good night. Again, I will meet you tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.